welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do the helicopter movement you can see in so many TikToks, and it's actually really easy to learn. So we're going to learn it in about 2 minutes. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications. It would be so awesome. It takes you only 2 seconds, so come on, subscribe, and now let's get started. So what we're going to do now is we're going to practice it slow, and then we're going to go faster and faster. So the first thing, we're going to put our wrists together and our palms are facing towards us, just like that. Then one hand goes down like that, our palm still faces towards us, and the other one goes up and our palm is facing towards the camera. Then we're going to go like this and both our palms are going to face the camera. But one thing you should make sure is that the wrists are always together. So once they're facing towards the camera, the hand that was up first now goes down and the other one goes up, like this. And then the last part, you're going to go to your starting position so both your palms are facing towards you. So let's try it slowly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. And now what you have to do is repeat it until you remember every part of this move, and then you're going to go faster and faster. If your wrists aren't together, like you can't stick them together, to learn how to do this, you can use a hair tie. So you can put it over here, put both your wrists here so that you can't separate them, right? And then try doing it and go faster and faster and faster. And once you learn how to do it, then you can already take off the hair tie and try it without. Just like that, and now we know how to do the helicopter. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on TikTok, like this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!